Alright guys, what's going on? I just wanted to do a quick review here at work, at night, of course. Just wanted to show you guys my new Ultrafire 502B flashlight. It's a pretty small, compact flashlight. It's rather nice. It's 1,000 lumens. Actually, comes with the one I bought. Came with the charger and 2 batteries. Let me show you what the battery looks like. Comes with 2 Ultrafire TR 18650 3000 mAh. This has a rechargeable battery. The charger actually doesn't take too long to charge, and it worked pretty good. Just wanted to show you a quick little demonstration, a little comparison here that I have, just to show you guys. I got this just a regular Coleman flashlight. Has the what I believe is 5 LED lights inside, 63 lumens. And let me show you right quick. I'm gonna shut off the camera light and show you first the Coleman, and then I'll show you the difference on how bright the Ultrafire is. Alright, the light's off. This here is the Coleman. I mean, it does a job. It's okay, but definitely not what I want, especially where I work, where if I don't have a light, let me show you what it looks like. I work at a golf course and you can barely see anything. Right now I'm showing should be a small pond and a couple of holes, fairways and stuff, but can't see nothing. So now here's, like I said, show you again. It's the Coleman flashlight, 63 lumens, Coleman. Okay, and here's the Ultrafire. Sorry if you hear a lot of wind. I'm outside. It's really windy out. It's actually been raining, and it's picking up now all of a sudden. But here's the Ultrafire. Let's see how much brighter it is. Well, this wind has really picked up all of a sudden. So, I mean, compared to the Coleman, it's just way stronger. Again, sorry if you hear the wind.